Welcome to our PTK Scholarship Workshop. The videos in this workshop will explore scholarship opportunities as well as tips and techniques for effective and winning scholarship entries. Together, these videos can be used in line of the hosted PTK Scholarship Workshop to meet the requirement of the PTK President's Challenge Enhanced Membership Program. In addition to watching these videos, you must also complete and pass the Learning Assessment Quiz included in your President's Challenge checklist. Use the attached Key Learning Lessons worksheet for notes and as a study guide to complete your quiz. If you need captions, click the CC button below. Before you leave the video, be sure to review the video description below for helpful links. First, let's explore the PTK Scholarship Program supported by other donors but administered by PTK. You can generally use one application to apply for several different scholarships. However, some specialized scholarship programs may require additional applications or questions. Other scholarship opportunities may be focused on students in specific programs or degree paths. PTK administers 2 application cycles each year. It is important to understand the scholarships available in each cycle to ensure you are applying in a timely manner. The fall semester cycle includes a scholarship for those students planning to transfer to a 4-year college or university the following fall. Basically, you are applying a year ahead of your intended transfer. Your online application is typically due in early December. The spring semester application cycle focuses on scholarship for those students returning to the 2-year college next fall. Online applications may typically open in March and are due mid-May. So what PTK scholarships are available in each cycle? Good question, and one that requires a lot of detail. As we mentioned, PTK administers several different scholarship programs. They even add new programs from time to time. With over $246 million in scholarships for eligible members, it's no wonder the scholarships are the #1 reason students join PTK. The best place to get a list of available scholarships and the details is the PTK website ptk.org. There you'll find a link for scholarships at the top of the page. You can search by the type of student you are, transfer, career tech, dual enrolled, or by the degree you're seeking, associates or bachelor's. With all those scholarships, it could be easy to get confused about what you are or are not eligible for. So PTK makes it really easy. Sign on to the PTK Scholarship Portal on ptk.org, or if you're not a member, some scholarships accept non-member applicants. Follow the sign instructions. When you start your application, you complete or update an eligibility quiz which asks you things like number of credits earned, GPA, future educational goals, and major or program. Be honest and accurate in your responses. You need to submit transcript eventually. If you end up changing your mind from what you enter in your application, that's okay. Write about your current plans. Based on your responses and whether you're a PTK member, you will be presented with a list of the scholarships for which you're eligible. Coca-Cola Scholarship Foundation Awards are available for PTK members or non-members. In the spring cycle for those students continuing at the 2-year college next fall, there is also the Coca-Cola Leaders of Promise Scholarship available. For the All-USA Scholarship, a select college committee reviews all completed applications and determines which to move forward for this award. We're permitted to forward 2 nominations per campus from those who have completed the application. We cannot consider incomplete applications no matter how good they might be. When making the decision on which 2 applications for transfer scholarships and which 2 for workforce scholarships to forward from each campus, we do read what you wrote. We also look for involvement on or off campus, community service, and your involvement with PTK as well as your academic record. If you have classes at multiple campuses like Truax and Gilmore South, you should carefully consider which campus you list in your application. Of course, as the largest campus, the most applications are generally listed for Truax, which increases the competition for your application to be forwarded to consideration. Also, if you're only online, those applications fall under the Truax campus based on how PTK has allowed us to set up our campuses. If your application is not forwarded for the All-USA Scholarship, it does not disqualify you from any of the others. The student receiving the highest All-USA Academic Team application score in each state is named a New Century Workforce Pathway Scholar or a New Century Transfer Pathway Scholar. The program annually recognizes 104 scholars. The Heights and East Point scholarships are specifically for PTK members. Your responses on the eligibility quiz will indicate if you receive additional questions to capture your application for these additional scholarships. Additional scholarship opportunities may be available based on your major or program of study. For example, for students transferring to medical or health-related fields, you may get questions to assist you with a membership discount to American Medical Student Association or a scholarship for pre-med students. For the RN students prepping for the NCLEX exam, scholarships are offered for exam fees and review materials. If this is your situation, be sure to review the scholarship deadlines for these as listed on the PTK website. Sometimes they can be different than primary PTK application deadline. If you indicate you're entering the workforce rather than transferring, your scholarship application questions will be a little bit different. You get questions that inquire regarding your anticipated expenses such as specialty tools or equipment required for your line of work. One Madison College recipient of these awards spoke of specialty tools required for his automotive career. So if you need kits, tools, uniforms, or specialty software or transportation or certification, consider that in your application. You may also get questions to clarify your career path. Those progressing toward a career in medicine or healthcare may earn discounts toward the American Medical Student Association. For those entering event management, theater, performing arts, graphic design, video editing, TEK productions has scholarships available for your field. These are offered for various degree levels including certificates, associates, and bachelor's degrees. If you find yourself in a situation where you're almost ready to graduate within 18 months of finishing your Madison College career and experiencing a catastrophic financial barrier, you might consider applying for the Oberndorf Lifeline to Completion Scholarship. This is a separate application that requires you to be a PTK member, enrolling at least 6 credits, and have a 3.0 or higher GPA. This application will ask you to speak in detail about your unexpected financial shortfall, so be prepared to be specific. We have had a recipient of this scholarship who was a victim of flooding whose home was destroyed. This scholarship is offered each fall and spring term. In summary, one application for multiple scholarships. Your application will vary based on your responses to the eligibility quiz. You may get different questions based on your goals and depending on whether you intend to transfer, enter the workforce, or return to the two-year college. The eligibility quiz is not the limit to the questions you will need to answer in your PTK application. These scholarships are competitive, worldwide competitive, so you will need to plan time to prepare a good essay response in your application. We will get into that in the separate scholarship writing video in this series. We suggest you to watch the next video in this series to explore more scholarship opportunities. In the next video, we'll talk about the scholarships offered exclusively to new and continuing Madison College students through the College Foundation. We will also explore some opportunities for exploring other external scholarships that may be available. We hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the video description below for more information and helpful links. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Wolfpack Wisdom.